My name is Paul Shaffer, and I guess a little background. John Dimich and I have been friends since I prosecuted in Itasca County back in the late 90s, but I started out as law clerk for the judges in Hibbing, and then I went to Cook County Attorney's Office in Grand Marais, Itasca County, Cass County, Carleton County, St. Louis County, Lake County was in there somewhere, and I prosecuted everything between traffic tickets and first-degree murder and everything in between. Retired about 3 years ago, got unbelievably bored in my retirement, and Heidi Chandler, who was an assistant county attorney with me back in the late 90s, who shared a caseload, suggested to me that I come out of retirement and do some court reporting work, and then that evolved into different county attorneys' offices utilizing me as extra help, and then that led to them wanting me to hire me, and I'm like, thanks, but I've been there before. And John said, he goes, I'm retiring. He goes, you interested in maybe taking some of my contracts? I said, well, see what the city council say. And actually that came as something that I wanted to bring up for you folks now. John emailed me back Friday. And he is moving out to Fort Collins, Colorado, like imminently in the next week or two. And he asked me if I would do his in-person hearings for the different cities beginning October 21st. Okay. And I said I would, but I wanted to get authorization from the city council because technically the contract is between you and John. Right. And if I start appearing on his cases, criminal cases, and they appeal it, they'll be like, well, he wasn't city attorney. He couldn't prosecute this case. Sure. This case is no good. So very fortuitous that. Yeah. Yeah. But no, it's my understanding is John's packing his U-Haul and is heading to Fort Collins as soon as he can pack his U-Haul and leave town, I guess.
The only thing that changed was the price.
Yeah. No, I had to adjust that a little bit just simply because I was saying to John, I'm like, have you raised your prices in 20 years? He goes, well, I kind of know. I'm like, well, great. Now I'm going to be the a-hole going to the city. John didn't raise his prices for a long time, but I tried to make it, not
tough act to follow. Does everybody have a copy of this?
Yes.
Okay, wonderful. So, I guess going with that, would we like to have a motion to approve this contract?
I would say that, and probably a motion for interim use then, starting immediately?
I would say immediate.
Yeah, that would be nice.
Starting today.
Yeah. And John, oh, by the way, John's just going to pay me out of his existing contract. So it's something you guys need to worry about. That's between John and I.
You and John. Okay.
Yeah.
Not a problem.
As of January 1 of 25.
Yeah. Okay, that'll work. Do we have a second on that motion?
We have a motion, yeah, I'll second it.
Okay. I think.
I'll move.
I thought you moved, didn't you? Did you not move?
I was just suggesting, but.
A suggestion for a move? I'm kind of thinking maybe we should move on this. All right, so we got an initiation
move on a contract
and the
interim use.
yeah, for dated immediately. Okay, second, all those in favor? I never knew a motion would be that difficult. Those opposed? All right, motion is approved.